Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech review. Today, we're diving into the latest offering from Lenovo, the Flex 5 i14-inch 2-in-1 laptop. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The abyss blue color gives it a sleek and modern look, and the narrow bezels surrounding the 14-inch FHD IPS touchscreen display provide an immersive viewing experience. It's also incredibly lightweight at just 3.3 pounds, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Now, onto performance. Powered by an Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, this laptop boasts impressive speed and responsiveness. With 4GB of RAM and a 128GB PCIe SSD, multitasking is a breeze, and you can expect lightning-fast boot times and app launches. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or tackling productivity tasks, the Flex 5i delivers smooth performance every time. In terms of connectivity, the Flex 5i has you covered with 2 USB 3.2 ports, 1 USB-C 3.2 port, HDMI, a headphone microphone combo jack, and an SD card reader. Plus, with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 combo, staying connected to your favorite devices is effortless. One standout feature is the inclusion of Windows 11 Home in S mode. While it's streamlined for security and performance, switching to regular Windows 11 is a simple process that allows you to unlock even more functionality. Finally, let's talk about the extras. With Marxo cable accessories included, you'll get everything you need for a seamless experience, including an HDMI cable, USB extension cord, and mouse pad. And with Marxo bundle authorization, you can trust that you're getting a quality product. Overall, the Lenovo Flex 5 i14-inch 2-in-1 laptop is a fantastic choice for anyone in need of versatility, performance, and style. Whether you're a student, professional, or small business owner, this laptop has what it takes to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.